Okay, here we are at the Holden Homestead, and we're walking over to the hives. Check them out. Let me make sure the microphone's out of the deal. Here we are. So, before I piss them off too much, basically what we're going to do is we are going to add that hive on top of this one so they can potentially make a bigger hive, get more brood, and get some honey this year. It'd be pretty rad. So I'll show you guys how it works. Okay, this is gonna happen real quick. Watch. What I'm gonna do is pull the top off, put the queen excluder on there. This came from my neighbor, pretty rad. He has beehives across the way. He's actually a bee doctor and he does this for a living, but gave me this and the other box, which already has all of my frames in it ready to go. So I'm gonna rip this one off, put this on top, put that one on top, done, go away. They glued the whole thing with comb. Here they come. Alrighty, so definitely use smoke. I know some people say don't use it, but wow, they were in attack mode and I got this thing fired up and they just left me alone. So pretty cool. Use a smoker. They work great. I would highly suggest it. I've never used one. Check it out. So this was my problem. When I started it, look at this right here. Check it out. They actually made comb right onto this, and I really hope I did not get the queen. There's no way in telling really, unless I open the whole hive up and really inspect it, which I have not done. But yeah, bees, they're angry. Check it out, they're fanning. See them fanning? Here, let me turn the mic. They're fanning to let the other bees know where the queen is. You can see them fanning their wings. Because their hive just got opened up and they're all freaking out right now. So, anyways, cheers. Oh yeah. We're gonna pick some of these guys today too. These donut peaches. You know they're ripe when the birds are starting to get them. No bueno. But we're gonna get all those and make some jam and stuff. I got some other trees that are ready to pick. Chickens are flourishing right now. I'll show you them. There's those two babies in the back. The turkey's recovering after her attack from the last couple of videos ago. Something came in the coop and tried to attack the chickens, but long story short, we took care of that, and she's growing her feathers back, so we're stoked. Good, Faye?
Yes. Oh, there's a big one in there.
So good. Dang, say bye.
Bye. Blah, 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 blah.
Look at all the fruit. Dang. Alright guys, real quick, I'm not going to get too close, but that was just a quick clip on the bees. Thanks for watching the video. Any questions, comments, suggestions, put them below. Subscribe on the left hand side, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.